The term cross fox typically refers to a color variation of the red fox Vulpes vulpes. Cross foxes are red foxes with a particular color pattern characterized by a dark stripe running down their back and another across their shoulders, forming a cross-like shape. These dark markings are often more pronounced against their orange or reddish fur, and they also have a white tip tail. Cross foxes are not a separate species, but a variation within the red fox population. Its color variation occurs due to genetic factors. Foxes with this specific coloration have been historically sought after for their fur, although trapping and trading of fur-bearing animals have become highly regulated in many places.